Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, it's beautiful outside. Just wanted to show you what I'm up to. The weather was very hard. It went up to 38, 36 degrees here in Edmonton, Alberta in July. But yesterday, boom, it went down to 14 degrees. But it rained for almost a day, two. Still cloudy, could rain anytime. So what I've been doing is I've been up to making carding the Angora rabbit that I'm going to be knitting a dress with a huge cowl. So I'm going to show you how I spin. I do have several tutorials how I spin it, but this time I wanted to give you a better idea. It's can be loud. Here I'm going to be knitting, making chunky yarn to give that thickness on the dress. So this is 2-ply. So far I made 2. I washed them. These are nice and clean. So let me see if I can get this closer to you for you to see. I have my bobbin. Put it on. My spinning wheel has been in the shed, so I'm just freaking out if it rains, if it gets wet. These are expensive. I paid this one came from New Zealand, and I paid about 1,500, 700, I believe, just for the spinning wheel. I don't remember how much I paid for the shipping and for the custom fee, of course. Anything we spent $19.90 over, we pay custom fee. I'm a little bit low, so just wanted to give you an idea. Okay, and I'm wearing a bad clothes, like these are old, so I don't have to worry about them to be already on my. It is pretty loud. So what I'm going to do is, I was just freaking out to lose this. Let me see. Oh my goodness. I only have this tool that it came from, and I've been saving it, putting it aside somewhere that I won't lose it. So I asked my husband if he can duplicate this, copy it, and then it's so tiny. Böyle olacak. Video çekiyorum. So I'm gonna just take this is 1 ounce. So I'm just gonna take it and then start spinning. Okay, just like this. First, let's turn the wheel. So we're twisting it, that's what we're basically doing. And then I put the fiber on I'm not good with these names. So I'm starting to spin. Okay, I don't want it thin because I need chunk. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm drafting as I go. And I don't want it thick and thin. At the beginning, that's what I was doing a lot. Okay, let me just see. Yeah, it's going. So I don't want it too twisty. Too much twist is not good either. So I am drafting, and I don't want it thin. That's my goal. I don't want it thin. So I'm just pulling as I go. And the more I do the twist, I'm letting it twist the yarn that I'm making. And then I will just let it, see, there's too much twist. I will give you a closer look. My husband is picking up the pines that we have from the pine trees because of the wind and the rain, right? So I'm not doing this fast, unfortunately, because I have to be careful. I don't want to break the yarn either. That's another thing. Right, and I don't want it too twisty. So I will do this 2-plot. Here. I'm just moving it. I'm sure there are a lot of beginner friendly videos. Sometimes you need to play around with these tools. It's not tight enough. It's just beautiful. It's just lovely to hand spun outside, especially with Angora rabbit yarn, because it does get really messy with the fluff. It flies everywhere, the hair. And I've been knitting with Angora rabbit a lot in the past. Oh, that's a big chunk. I don't want to lose anything because these are not cheap. They're pretty expensive. I put it on the wrong side. Yeah, I'm getting old, definitely. It's supposed to be on the other side. Okay, let's put this supposed to be. No, it's on the right side. Twist, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draft it just like this and go from there. I did something wrong, and I think I fixed it. Just want the yarn.